Sekta ya urimi wa macani ikoretwo igumiirwo ni moritu matiganite ta ucenjio wa riera oro undu umwe na thogora yamo. Riu bondi ya macani guku bururi-ini iri mubango-ini wa kwambiriria kwendia macani bururi-ini wa Iran kuona kuri na thoko nene ya macani.
Payment of the tea is what is the biggest challenge for Kenya, but we are in discussion together with our embassy in Iran and even the Iranian embassy here to see how we can circumvent some of those challenges with respect to payments.
Kuringana na Murugamiriri munene wa bondi-ini wa ihinda Peris Mudida, nimararutithania wira na kambuni iri bururi-ini wa Japan nigwo guuka na njira cia kiriu cia uria macani mega mariroragwo handu ha njira imwe cia tene ikoretwo ikihuthika ta gucama.
We need to move away from what we have been doing in terms of tasting tea, using the touch, the sight, the taste and all that. So we have engaged a company actually in Japan that has that technology of doing what we are calling scientific tasting. We have gone as far as sending some samples, some tea samples from Kenya to see whether that technology can actually work for us.
Aria mari thogora-ini ya macani ni matetete kumana na kwambatira gwa thogora wa kuhaririria macani hamwe na bei ya iguru ya indo iria ihuthikaga hari guthaya macani.
We are myriad of challenges as a tea producer and also as a packer. As I've said, we are packing assist premium tea. Generally, as a packer, we have the cost of packaging materials has really gone up, and it has really affected our pricing. Though we have not carried over the increase in pricing to our customers, it has been a really big challenge.
Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.